Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance reward vouchers. First, navigate to your Binance account and find the Reward Center. This is where all your available vouchers are stored. You'll see various types, such as cash vouchers or trading fee rebates. It's crucial to identify the voucher you want to use before proceeding. We'll cover how to activate them next. Once in the Reward Center, you'll see a list of your eligible vouchers. Simply click on the Redeem button next to the voucher you want to activate. A confirmation window will appear, detailing the voucher's value and terms. Review these details carefully, then confirm your choice. The reward will then be credited to your account, ready for use. Binance offers several voucher types. Cash vouchers directly deposit cryptocurrency into your spot wallet, like receiving 10 USD. Trading fee rebate vouchers reduce your transaction costs by a certain percentage, perhaps 25%. Futures bonus vouchers provide funds for futures trading, allowing you to explore derivatives without using your own capital initially. Each type has specific benefits. Always check the expiration date on your vouchers. They often have a limited validity period. Also, thoroughly read the terms and conditions for each specific voucher to understand any usage restrictions or requirements. This ensures you maximize your rewards effectively. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.